if you're starting to feel drained during the day, you don't always have time to stop what you're doing and practice a whole bunch of yoga or somatics. So I'm going to show you the really short, quick program that I would do in between seeing patients, especially around that afternoon slump, when you just need a couple things to connect you to a sense of energy so that you can make it through the rest of your day. Sometimes I would even go in the bathroom and do this, or close the door of my office. So you're just going to start to shake from your pelvis, shimmy side to side, and as you do, let that wave move up your spine and kind of rock your shoulders side to side. So it's like a little body earthquake that starts right from the center there. Let the arms move, let the head move. If you can make noise without bothering anybody, use an exhale, let the tension go. That tension is eating up a lot of your energy. So if we can let it go, you'll have energy to do what you actually need to do. Okay, now we do the reach up, look up. Any amount that you can stretch your arms up, open your fingers, lift your head, feel an upward movement through the whole body, especially the spine. Bend your elbows toward the back of the head, widen the elbows. A couple times like that, reach up, look up, come down. This is a great one to do at your desk. And a lot of times if somebody else sees you doing this, they're like, oh, that looks like it feels really good. I think I need that too. Good, all right, bring that down. So now we're going to take the hands onto the hips and we start to roll down like you're going toward a forward bend, and then wave up the spine, come into standing. Roll it down, wave it back up. Big breaths. This is a good one. If you are doing this in the bathroom, I put my hands on my hips because I don't want them going near the floor. All right, come back up, and we're going to start a cross-body reach, like you're grabbing something on one side, grabbing something on the other side, a little bit of rotation in your spine, back and forth. Keep your head still if you tend to get dizzy, or you can let your head move if that feels all right. Okay, and then there's a bonus. If you are able to lift a knee and reach across, so it's opposite sides, we get cross-body activation, which is really good to make your brain work. So if you're starting to feel a little fuzzy in your thinking process, cross-body reach. And this has a balance element too. So we'll do a couple of those. Reach and pull, reach and pull. It's also giving you a little bit of core work, which is nice. Okay, come back into the middle. A little full body earthquake. Exhale. Whatever tension, whatever stress you can drop, that's going to free up energy that you can put toward what you're trying to accomplish. Take a wave up and down with the arms. A little bit of self-reassurance. Whatever it is that you have to do, you are able to accomplish it. You can do it. Okay, and just like that, you are ready to jump back into your day, and hopefully you have a little bit more internal support and a little more connection to vitality so that you can make that happen.